Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need to have CapCut application. Now click on the link given in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. You have to use VPN if you're from India to make this work. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your two photos. After adding two photos, click on Next. Now check your video. Now export and click on Export without watermark. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.